Hello from Subsystem. Today we are happy to introduce our one more beautiful product such as Subsystem PTZ camera. It has 4K camera. If you see, it's a 4K lens and coming with multiple output option: SD output, HDMI output, audio line input, and RJ45 internet LAN output, and IP output, and USB output, and RS2 control. So what I did, I just connected this HDMI cable, this LAN cable to the switcher. This is a switcher. We have configured everything in the network using the switch, using that our switcher, and this is the basic design, how the idea. So sample design, you can connect up to switcher network to control that all the function of the PTZ camera. You can use it with multi option like conference, live streaming, and wedding event, whatever working scenario. You can use the PTZ camera. It has a feature with 20x zoom, 4K output, and live streaming also, and PoE and auto tracking. Okay, so what I did, I will show some of the function in our switcher, because our switcher has a PTZ joystick control, and if you see here, we have configured that camera in the switcher directly. So I'm just moving the camera. So if I'm moving the camera, it's moving here also it's moving here also. I can up and I can see all the control. I'm doing it from here. Okay, not only that, there is a zoom function here, so I can zoom in and also zoom out. So this switcher, okay, has PTZ control coming built in. So all the control I can do, even I can do white balance, what are the configuration, I can easily go in the menu. So if you go to the menu, see here, I just going all the focus, exposure, white balance, all thing I can configure here. So we already configured here, so that's why we are getting all the controls here. If you see, I'm coming, okay, up and down. So I'm just going up, okay, also I'm going zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is one kind of control. And second control, I'll show it here. This is the web interface of the camera. So from that IP address, you can take control via web interface. So from here also you can control the camera. So you can go here. So from here also I can control. Okay, and it's a pre-configured some function here. This is NDA camera, because we pre-activate the license. So NDA is the IP output. That IP output we are getting from the LAN cable. And if you see here, all the configuration is here. You can stream to YouTube and Facebook, 2 platform you can stream. And if you go to here, RTSP streaming also, you can do RTSP and RTMP, okay, and Ethernet. So this is the configuration, all the configuration you can come here and you can configure. So you can encode. So it support 4K. If you see here, see the resolution, it support 4K. So you can stream up to 4K as a mainstream, and you can stream up to 725 as a substream. Okay, and if you go to video output, see that our camera will support up to 4K. So this is a 4K camera. As I said before, you can take 4K output as a resolution output. Also you can stream to 4K also. So this is a full control. So you can control via web interface. Okay, and the third control, I will show it here. So I just go to the NDI. Okay, so this is NDI, as I showed, this is NDI, and this is the NDI app. If you see here, this is the NDI. If you come here, okay, NDI camera. So that's our camera IP, and NDA HX2. So that means you can get IP output. This is the IP output. I will show the IP output how is functioning. So the third control I will show here. If you come, this is a remote coming from the camera. From the camera itself, I can see I'm controlling it here. If I control it, the camera is moving here. You can see it here on the TV also. So the moving is happened. See, I just changing the camera. See, I'm just changing the camera. Even I'm going up, even I'm going down. So I just pan and tilt. Okay, so the pan and tilt, everything happen via IP. Also we are getting output. Also we are getting HDMI. Also we are getting HDMI output. So this is the full output, you are getting it here. Not only that, we are getting NDI camera. So I will show that NDI camera here. So also we are auto tracking. See, I'm just enabling the auto tracking. See, I'm just coming to my area. Okay, so I'm getting the auto tracking here. So I'm just enabling auto tracking from my remote. So I simply come here, I can enable, so it's now auto tracking is enabled. See, I'm just keep the remote down, so I'm just changing, so the camera is moving. See, so this way the auto tracking, so I can go simply move here, okay, and I can move here, okay, so I can come close, so I can come out, okay. See, this the auto tracking is working. See, I'm not touching anything, so everything coming from auto tracking. So that's the auto tracking feature. So yeah, I want to disable the auto tracking here, so I can simply remote, I can go, I can deactivate the auto tracking. So it's now auto tracking is off, so now there is no auto tracking. So that's the beauty of the camera. So I will, as I said, this camera work with IP output, also that HDMI and SDA and USB output. So either up to what are the output, multi output format, what are the output you want, you can configure easily. Okay, and this switcher also NDA function. If I go here menu, I can go to that settings. Okay, this is a NDA. So this NDA also you can bring it input, but this need license. This is optional. If you want NDA, you can activate the license. Same like in IP output, my switcher also giving that output. So that's the idea of that switcher. So that's why you don't need a separate joystick control, because our switcher coming with the built-in joystick. Okay, so if you come here, I can control everything here. Okay, so I just come here, I'm just moving it here and then going top. So I'm just moving it here, everything. See, all the control happening my switcher. So it has a different control. Okay, so all are different control. So this switcher coming with the PTZ joystick and remote control and a web control. So I hope you understand this product, how the PTZ camera is working. Also I will show you, see, I'm just removing this cable. Okay, so if I just remove this cable, see the output, it's left. Okay, see, still we are getting the output. So single cable giving power, LAN and IP output, everything is coming here. So I just moving that camera here. If you see, the camera is still working. Okay, because we are getting IP output. Also show in the remote. So if you come here, I will show in the remote. Okay, so I just moving the, see, still the camera is working. So I can go up, I can go down. Okay, so I can change that camera. See, I'm just controlling it. So still the camera is working because we are getting IP output. So the single LAN cable, so the single LAN cable can give output, power and video control, audio control, everything is one cable. So if you're putting cricket, if you're putting outside live event, so you don't have the power feature, you don't have the power facility, so you can use the PoE switch. This we are using normal switch, that's why we are giving the power. If the switch is giving PoE switch, so the PoE switch will give the power via the single LAN cable. So no need for SDI, no need for HDMI. Single LAN cable can give the output. So I will just see, I'm just connecting the HDMI again. Okay, if I connect the HDMI again, I'm just connecting the HDMI. After connecting, I'm getting the HDMI source. So this is the HDMI source, this is the IP source. This is the function of the camera. Okay, so I hope what are the function, it's a basic explained, you understand everything. If you need more detail about the pricing, about the function of the camera, how the workflow setup, if you need more detail, I give my contact information, kindly call me. Thank you.